Okay, hello everyone. So in this assignment we were supposed to edit 4 photos. I got my photos off of Unsplash, and I did add credits to I did add credits of the photos on the Google document on the Google Drive folder. So this is the first one I created. It says sushi. With this one, I experimented with like the colors of the text and everything, and the background, the black and white background. I toned it out a little bit. Also, I honestly kind of like how this came out. Actually, honestly, I created this one last, right after I had created all the other ones, so I was already just getting the hang of it. The next one is mushroom. This mushroom right here. I don't really like how this one came out. I had a lot of trouble smoothing out the edges, and it kept on capturing the background more for some reason. And honestly, like, I was having trouble like editing that part out for some reason. Like, I don't know why. But this one is kind of cool also. I picked that font because it just reminded me of the image itself. Also, the next one we have bird. I like this one. I like how the colors of the feathers stand out from the bird itself. The only thing I noticed right now actually is that this little part right here didn't capture with the bird. So yeah, I didn't realize that until now actually, but other than that, it came out pretty good. And last one we have coffee. When this one I smoothed out the edges a little bit more, because it wasn't as smooth, and I feathered it out a little bit more also. And at first I had a little bit of difficulty doing the clipping mask, but then I just kind of figured out that I was making a mistake. I was just supposed to click on it and not drag it, so that was my mistake, but I figured it out, so alright, well, thank you all for watching this video.